In this video I will show you how to make rain particles with sub-emitters as droplets in Godot 4.x. Here is our main scene with just camera attached to it, and now we're gonna create a new scene, select other node and choose a GPU particle 2D. Here we're gonna choose a big amount like 1000. Under texture we will put a really simple 1x5 texture of rain particle. Then we will go under time and set its lifetime to 3. This will show our particle for 3 seconds before despawning it. Then we will do pre-process of 3 seconds. This will help the rain be already in motion when we start the scene. I like to do speed scale of 2. Then I will do fixed FPS of 60. It helps with collision, which we will do later. Then we will go under drawing and select a bigger box. This will help display the particle even when the camera is out of focus. Then we will choose local chords for rain to move with the camera. Now we can start moving on to actually displaying the particle. Select spawn under position, select a big shape like 150 and choose a box. Then we will go under velocity and choose a direction of 1, and under X we will choose 0.1. We will do spread of 0, and under initial velocity we will do 100, and this as well should be automatically set to 100. Now go to under accelerations and under gravity, do the gravity to 0. Now go under display, under scale, choose minimum scale of 0.1 and maximum scale of 0.5. Now go to color curves, select this and make it a little bit transparent. Color ramp, I like to do a new gradient and I like to make it from white to a little bit gray. Now go under collisions, set it to hide on contact and use scale. We will create a sub-emitter after, but here we can set it to on at collision and 5 of them. Collision size, base size to 20. Or we can do 15. Now finally, to make actual good looking rain, we will go under trails, enabled. I like to do 0.07, 7 sections, and 1 section subdivisions. I believe that this looks pretty great already, but to make it even better, we will add a sub emission, which will be another GPU particles 2D. To begin, we will put the amount of 50, then go to time, and here set one shot. Then we go to process material, here we choose new particle process material. Here we go under spawn, under velocity, we choose spread of 90 degrees. We do initial velocity of 20. We do automatically this should be set as well to 20. We do X to 0 direction and Y direction we do -1. Under accelerations I like to do it under gravity I like to do it a little bit less, like 50, so it looks more bouncy. Then we go under display, under scale, we set its scale to less, like 0.2 to 0.5. Under color curves we go and do not change the color unless you want it, and under color ramp we do the same as we did for the other one. So on this side we have white and on the other side we have grayish. Then under drawing, select local chords for the sub-emitter, and the last thing we need to do to enable this sub-emission is to go to our parent particle, under sub-emitter apply our child. Now we save our scene, go to main, and from our assets we just drag it in. I like to drag it under our camera. We will scale our camera down and we will drag our particles just above the camera so it's all visible. Now I believe this looks perfect. And to see sub-emitters we need to put a surface on it, so I will add a child node, and here we will add occluder, light occluder 2D, and now under occluder we do new occluder polygon 2D. We press polygon and we need to set the size to 4. Here we need to move the points, so I will choose 1 point of 1 right here, then 1 point somewhere up below the camera, 1 here and 1 here. Then I will delete this one and we have a surface, and voila, we have a rain particle with sub-emitters, rain droplets. So that is it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.